In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text to speech voice on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok and tap on that plus sign to start creating new video. You can use camera for that, or you can upload some video from your gallery. And once you did that, hit there on text icon to add some text here. And now you can change the font of that text. Also, you can change color and add some colored box around the text and then hit done. Now you can change the position of the text, you can change its size or you can rotate it if you want. And to change text to speech voice, you need to hit once on that text box and select text to speech. So now Siri-like voice will read this text in that video, and now you can continue creating that video as you normally do. You can add filters here or some voiceover or whatever you want, and when you finish just hit next and then post your video to your TikTok feed. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.